Okay, so are you ever scrolling through Instagram and you see these really picturesque vacation views and really upscale bedrooms and over-the-top designed architecture, and you're wondering, what's the feng shui in these spaces? Should I actually do some of this design and apply it to my space? Is this like really bad for my feng shui? Or maybe some of your homes look like these pictures and you're wondering if it's good, if it's bad, if there's something you should change or add, or how it's affecting your feng shui. Every Sunday on Instagram, I put up a poll of 2 pictures and have people vote. Which bedroom do you like better? Which plant location do you like better? Which vibe do you like better? Which kitchen do you like better? And it's really fun to see who voted for what, and then a few days later, 24 hours later, I critique the rooms. It's all personal preference. Whatever people like is great. It's fun to see what people vote for. But then I pick apart each room and tell you which ones have potentially better feng shui, which ones are better for the activity in the room. Like this week, it's gonna be about a bedroom. I'm gonna show you 2 bedrooms and if they're good or if they're bad. So if you like room edits, if you like room critiques, if you like HGTV, this is the short video for you. My name's Jeanette Zizikowski, your go-to feng shui consultant. Let's take a look. Okay guys, here we have the 2 pictures from Instagram. I'm looking at it down here on my phone. And even though you can see the results from Instagram over here, comment below which one you like better, A or B. The A will be the top photo and B will be the bottom photo. Comment below which one you would feel more relaxed in. As we see here, the bottom picture 1, the one with the water at the top, it's very nice, it's very serene, it has a really good view. The view actually might be why most people picked this. I had a feeling that people would choose this photo because it's just so cool. It's just so over the top. And the whole point of these Instagram videos and polls are just to be like, that would be cool to stay in for a night. That's wild. This is the one I'm voting for. But let's consider it if this was actually a home you were trying to manifest or actually bring into your life. And should you actually replicate this in real life? The question was, which room would you feel more relaxed in? And I think in theory, having water above your head, it looks cool, it might be nice for a while, but then like think about what actually happens when the sun goes down and there's no light reflecting in between that water. Water is always below us. That is so tricky and such a swap for our subconscious and for our norm and for what we're used to that I actually don't think people would find it that relaxing to have water over their head. The second thing I noticed that's really big with this picture is having that jagged rock like really strong wall at the front while you're sleeping. Feng Shui loves when we have something strong and sturdy at our back, and it's like a mountain at our back. We are protected. This comes back from like ancient techniques and history. If enemies or attackers are coming, we want the mountain at our back. We also want the mountain to protect us from the wind so that we can farm at the bottom of the mountain, so that we can see anybody coming, even if it's a friendly neighbor, in front of us, not up behind us where we would be startled. So to actually have something that jagged, that pointy, that much of a block, I actually feel like the person who would have this bedroom, this bottom bedroom, would feel very stuck in life. I feel like they would feel like there's a wall in their relationship, maybe a wall, like if this were the master bedroom, maybe a wall of feeling like there's no progression forward, maybe a wall in like theoretically or symbolically in their career. Having something so seriously strong and stark and just big block of stone, I think would actually hinder people, and subconsciously, like, it just doesn't feel flowy, it doesn't feel easy, it feels like there's this big mountain in front of you that you have to overcome. So in the case of this bottom photo, I would actually love to see it if it was switched around and the head was at the strong wall. Actually, like in the front. In the front, I think most people would sleep better. Even though it seems like it'd be really cool to have the water over your head, most people, I'd put money on it, most people would have a better night's sleep if they were sleeping in bedroom A. That's the room critique for this week. Comment below which one you think you'd feel more relaxed in, and who cares about the actual critique and the feng shui. It's just fun to picture and dream, and hey, it's always fun to try new rooms and be in funky rooms for vacations, right? So throw it on your manifestation board. Subscribe to my channel so you catch more of these room critiques where you can apply some of these cool designs to your home. They're not always gonna be over the top. Some of them might inspire you to add them to your vision board. Maybe it's a room you've never seen before. Maybe it's an arrangement that inspires you to do something in your home. Maybe not knock out a ceiling and put a pool above you, but something cool and a new way to add in color, a new way to add in arrangement, a new way to add in flow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.